most of the SEO proposals sent out, they involve a setup process where we're going to fix all of the citations and the technical side of your website first. And then, like, they say that they go in and they change keywords and they update stuff. What most of them do is they will come in, they'll change all of your on-site stuff, all of your technical website things, but they'll charge you monthly for it. So they'll say it's, $2,000 a month. We're going to fix all of your website things, speed it up, do all their stuff initially. And they do in that first month, and it gets results for months after that. But, the behind the curtain look is that they're not doing much for those months after the first couple. That's really what I believe to be malicious about most common SEO proposals, is they're doing a lot of work up front and it's getting results, but you're just paying for work that was done originally. And I don't think that's very fair.
And the retainer stays super high despite the work going like 80% lower in some cases after that first couple months.
Correct. And that's what I don't like about SEO. And I think that's what not a lot of people like about SEO either, is because, okay, well, I just paid $6,000 across 3 months, and SEO takes a little while to ramp up. So I would say the things to look for in a proper proposal are a project based to get it technically sound, fast, good images, compressed, clean code. Usually I recommend a new website because it's a lot of rework, and you might as well do it on a more updated platform, but that's a separate conversation, right? Regardless, you either build a new website or optimize the current website first. And I would only pay project-based for doing that. Then it should look like consistently adding content to the website and the Google business profile. If you are consistently posting, or at least once a week on Google My Business or Google Business Profile, I think they call it now, that looks really good to your local search algorithm. And adding between 1 and 5, however much you want, like words of content to the website. So when Google crawls it, they say, oh, wow, you're constantly updating stuff. You're producing blog posts that are educational, right? So if I'm looking at a proposal, if I'm writing a proposal for SEO services, it looks like either a new website or optimizing your website that you got. What content are we going to add? Service pages, blogs, and are you posting regularly on Google My Business and constantly trying to get reviews? I think that crushes it for local search algorithms.